Welcome to Emgotvhistory History Tech. Today we explore the military technology that defined the War of the Roses, a series of civil wars from 1455 to 1487 for control of the throne of England. Fought between the houses of Lancaster and York, this conflict ultimately ended with the rise of the Tudor dynasty. The War of the Roses was characterized by fierce battles and strategic maneuvers, heavily influenced by the military technologies of the time. From longbows to early artillery, the innovations and tactics employed during these wars played a crucial role in determining their outcomes. The longbow was one of the most significant weapons in the War of the Roses. English archers, skilled in the use of the longbow, could fire arrows with deadly accuracy and range. The longbow's ability to penetrate armor made it a formidable weapon on the battlefield, particularly in battles like Towton and Agincourt. Armor technology also played a key role. Knights and men-at-arms wore plate armor, which offered greater protection against arrows and melee weapons. Advances in metallurgy allowed for the creation of full suits of armor that were both protective and relatively mobile. Melee combat was central to the battles of the War of the Roses. Soldiers wielded a variety of weapons, including swords, axes, and maces. The design of these weapons evolved to counter advances in armor, with heavier and more blunt force weapons becoming more common. Artillery began to make its mark during this period. Early cannons, though relatively primitive, were used to breach castle walls and fortifications. The use of gunpowder weaponry marked the beginning of a new era in siege warfare. The Battle of Towton, fought in 1461, was one of the largest and bloodiest battles of the War of the Roses. The effective use of longbows by the Yorkist forces played a decisive role in their victory, demonstrating the importance of archery in medieval warfare. Cavalry played a significant role in the War of the Roses. Knights on horseback equipped with lances and swords were used for charges and flanking maneuvers. The mobility and impact of cavalry units were critical in numerous engagements. Fortifications and castles were central to the strategies of both houses. The ability to control and defend key strongholds was crucial for maintaining power and influence. Castles were equipped with various defensive features, including battlements, moats, and drawbridges to withstand sieges. Communication during the War of the Roses relied on traditional methods such as messengers and signal fires. Coordinating movements and relaying information quickly were essential for both offensive and defensive operations. The War of the Roses culminated in the Battle of Bosworth Field in 1485. The defeat of Richard III by Henry Tudor, who became Henry VII, marked the end of the conflict and the beginning of the Tudor dynasty. This battle highlighted the continued evolution of military tactics and the use of technology on the battlefield. The War of the Roses left a lasting impact on English history, shaping the future of its monarchy and military practices. The technologies and tactics developed during these wars continue to influence military strategy and historical scholarship. Join us next time on Emgotvhistory Tech as we explore more technologies that have shaped our world's history.